Okay, so on page 5, the bottom of page 5, we're going to do a couple of examples. And the examples say to find the population, the sample, the sampling method, and the bias. And so this all happens pretty quickly. So to set the stage for my situation, I have a newspaper wants to find out what % of the Berwyn population favors a property tax increase to raise money for local parks. So I want to see if how many people that live in Berwyn would be okay if I raised taxes, but I just want to do that to make sure our parks get better. And the way I'm going to do that is a newspaper article on the tax increase invites readers to express their opinions on the newspaper's website. So the population here, remember, is the group of people that is not readily accessible. I'm not able to go and sample all of these people. Well, my people that I'm trying to figure out about is the Berwyn population. So my population is going to be the people of Berwyn. Okay. And that's my population, but my sample is the people that I can reach. Who are the people that are offered this survey? Well, a newspaper article on the tax increase invites its readers to express their opinions. Then the people that are able to take this survey are the readers. Those are the people that are exposed to this survey. Not every single person in Berwyn, so I'm going to try to just reach out to my readers. And my sampling method that I'm going to use, well, I have to think about how these people are going to submit their answers. Well, it says I'm inviting people to express their opinions on the website. Those people are self-selected. They are invited. They are not forced to. It's completely optional. Excuse me. It's completely optional to do that. So self-selected, and some bias here. Bias means what's not fair about it. So there's a lot of ways you can spew it, but one way that's obvious is the bias here is that it's only for the people who pay for the newspaper. You have to pay to be a part of the newspaper, and so anyone who doesn't pay for it cannot take this survey. Alrighty, so a different situation here. It's still the same scenario where I want to see what % of the Berwyn population is for a tax increase to raise money for local parks. But now I'm a reporter interviewing people that leave the city's largest park. I'm interviewing people as they are leaving the city's largest park. So my situation is still the same. My population is the same as before. But now I'm going to have a certain sample. And my sample is going to be, let's see, the people that I am able to reach. Remember, the sample is the people that I specifically can reach. My sample is the people that I'm asking are the people leaving the park. So the people that are in the park right now that are leaving are the people I can sample. Okay, then the method that I use to find these people, well, I set up my camp at the exit of the park. I strategically use the exit so that I am finding people as they are leaving. So this would be a convenient sample. It was convenient for me to find these people, or convenient or convenience. That's the sampling method, convenience method. You have to run into me. And the bias here is I'm asking people that are in a park if they want me to find money to raise to make the park better. Of course, they're probably going to say yes. They enjoy being at the park. They want to be at the park, so they want to make it better. So the bias there is that it's only the people that are at the right place at the right time. And I'm asking people who that is near and dear to their heart. Alrighty, now I am a survey that calls the 50th listing from the local phone book. So every 50th listing. So again, I want to find the Berwyn population. So my population is the same. Now my sample method, or my sample itself, the people that I am able to reach is just going to be the people from the local phone book. And